Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add code to one page only in Squarespace. This is incredibly useful when you want to customize a specific page without affecting your entire website, whether that's adding custom CSS, tracking scripts, or special functionality. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and their settings. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites connected to your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add code to one specific page. This action opens up the main editing interface for that particular site, giving you access to all its customization options. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a vertical menu with various options. Click on Website to expand its submenu. Under this section, click on Pages. This is where you can view and manage all the individual pages that make up your website, from your homepage to blog posts and custom pages. Now comes the important part. Locate the specific page where you want to add your custom code. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that page name and you'll see a small gear icon. Click on this gear icon to access the page-specific settings. This is what separates page-level customization from site-wide changes. In the Settings menu that appears, click on Advanced. This section is specifically designed for users who want to add custom code or advanced functionality to individual pages. Here you'll see a field labeled Page Header Code Injection. This is exactly where you'll paste your custom code, and it will only affect this single page, leaving the rest of your site untouched. Go ahead and type or paste your code into the Page Header Code Injection field. For example, if you're adding some custom styling with CSS, you'd input your style code here between style tags. The code will be injected into the header section of just this one page when it loads. Once you've entered your code and double-checked that everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. Your custom code is now active on that specific page only, and you can preview the page to see your changes take effect immediately. And that's it. You've successfully added custom code to one page only in Squarespace without affecting any other pages on your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.